My life and my work are so interconnected. I mean, I could be driving to work and looking at the shadows that the trees are putting on the blacktop, and that may inspire some sort of design or some sort of lines that I think are really interesting and fascinating. I'm a renegade. I mean, what I do is not sort of the average person's idea of what a profession should be, but it works for me. It works because I love it. I love what the metal can do, and I love sort of bringing those ideas forward in a medium that people just don't always see how flexible and fluid it can be. I usually have an idea of what material I'm going for when I'm working on a specific project. You've got to have that all worked out. If I'm doing a unique piece, something for myself, different things will speak to me as far as size goes. So sometimes it's a random picking up a piece and go, oh, this will work. Being a blacksmith, a lot of the techniques and tooling I use are timeless. They've been around for centuries. The same techniques that were used, in the 1400s. And it's just my interpretation of design that will change how those techniques are used. Forging metal means that you're taking raw materials of steel, putting it into what I use as a cold forge, and getting up to temperatures of 17 to 2,000 degrees, and manipulating it through use of hammers and presses and things like that to actually transform that original shape. There's something about being able to look at something and understanding that it was made by hands. And I think that's somewhat lost with some of the people today. If I wasn't doing blacksmithing, I can't think of another thing I'd want to do. I don't have training in anything but this, so this is my life. There is no second idea of what to do. I'd make this happen.